In order to do missing work, you'll have to log on to Canvas and you'll have to click on Calendar. You'll have to click on the day that you missed. For example, if you miss September 17th, that says Activity 12 and it has a link to a module. Click on that link. It will take you to Activity 12. Click on the first page of the module. Here are instructions for how to set up your science notebook for that module. Down at the bottom, if you are absent, there will be instructions. It says you'll need to download the makeup file. The makeup file is very detailed and I would not expect you to do all of the makeup file. Click the next button to learn about graphing for this class. That's what we did together in class, so I would expect that you would also click the next button and do the graphing assignment. Then it says to read the text. Again, I would also expect that you would have read the text if you were absent and take responsibility to do that so that way you do not get behind. And then it says be sure to complete a graph on paper. I realize that not everyone has graph paper at home, but when you come back you would be able to get graph paper, or if you wanted to make a graph on normal paper, I would be okay with that. There is an assignment for you. It would be to do the graph paper, and because there is an assignment, that is what I would expect you to do. I will show you, anytime you are absent, in the module there will be an assignment with a description of what it is you will need to turn in and how you will be graded. I have it for every assignment. So again, the calendar said that we were doing Activity 12 this day. That means the assignment would be right here, CM12. And you click on that and it tells you exactly what you will be graded on, so that way you know. And here's what it is. You'll be graded on that graph. And here's what I would expect you to include, and I even include an example. Sometimes if you are missing, I'll have a video that I would expect you to watch to show you how to turn in an assignment or what would be expected of you. But again, you're going to need to take responsibility if you're absent.